Time is coming to do these back brakes. Got some ceramic pads, and some brand new rotors. So let's go ahead and get this cracking here. Alright, so as you can see, these I've seen better days. One here, and one down here. So after you do that, caliper will come loose. Hang that up here. And now let's go ahead and get the rotor off. Alright, so before you mount this, you want to make sure that you clean this with some brake cleaner. So after we put the caliper back on, we'll tighten this up. And then we're going to go ahead and release this screw here. And so here's the difference in the brake shoes. They're not all the way depleted, but there's definitely a noticeable difference there. Alright, so for the rear one on the right side, gets that pin there. Alright, so once you have this compressed, this will go right in. And then all you gotta do is put the screw back in. Alright, and that's how you change the rear brakes. So let's go ahead and get the other side done. Call it a wrap.